Right, so we're on the right mission now. His drone's gone down, he's lost signal. It's not GPS. Just under 100 quid. And he hasn't got a clue. Because I weren't watching where it went. So it could be anywhere. Anywhere in that field. And when I say field, I mean that entire moorland. So what should have been a nice Saturday morning walk, just got cat along, gonna make a cup of coffee, he's having a play with his drone, has now turned into mission impossible to try and locate his bloody drone. I ain't even got a clue, I didn't see where it were. They were watching it, but I think the winds took it as well. So if anyone's going to buy a drone, get a GPS one. This is going to be a nightmare now. Could literally be anywhere. And we were up on them rocks. Fair broke knees, baby.
Get walking.
Right, we're going to try and cross the river. We're back out, we're back on it. Aren't we, Jane? Now we've done faffing.
Yeah. I'm glad you first.
Oh, shit. Really?
Yeah, go on.
Oh my god. Here, you all. Oh no.
No, I want to record this. Go on. Here we go. Right. Now I just need to not drop your phone. You coming back? Oh, Bivvy. Is that wobbly?
Yeah, that was a bit wobbly, that
There you go.
Easy. Easy, easy. Right, we're back out, aren't we, J-boy?
Yeah.
Heading up them hills. Whatever hills we can find. So we're at the bottom of Fairbrook Naze, well, Fairbrook. And we're going to head up this trail here. And we're going to head up to Sealstones. So we just parked up on the Snake Pass.
Can I open the phone?
Yeah, you can try and open the phone.
I can open the phone.
Oh, we can open it this time. But you go. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
So it's a nice, peaceful Saturday morning. Sun's come out. Blue skies. Jay's brought his drone. He's going to do some of his epic drone footage today, aren't you, Jay?
I'm going to attempt him.
See how much he can shake it so nobody can actually view the video.
True.
And
sure
then,
we'll cut most of it out then.
Yeah, we'll cut it all out and start again.
I'll try and keep.
Right, so we're trying something new today. If anyone ever watches any of these videos, which they probably won't, we've been struggling with some sound issues. We're relying on iPhone speakers and the wind noise was too much. So I got a new case for my phone, which were a waterproof one. And because it was completely sealed, it sounded like you're in a submarine. So we've invested in some microphones, and now we've just been struggling to get them to sync. So I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. But I've literally just walked 5 meters and I'm out of breath.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Jesus.
A little help.
Just a little.
A little help.
Ah.
Let's see how much more we've got to go up.
So we've not been up here before. We're going to go and have a nosy and see what it's like. This is what you need. Any middle-aged people that put hiking videos on YouTube, getting a bit overweight like me, can't be asked to run up and down to do little shots. You need to invest in one of these. You can pick them up at any pet store.
How much did that cost?
It's some type of cross between a Labrador and a poodle. Labradoodle.
There's lots of rocks here. Take over, but God.
Absolutely boiling. The weather said it was going to be about 1-2 degrees up here and overcast. So we got tooled up as if we're heading into Antarctic again. I've got my fleece lined trousers on.
I've got 2 pairs of trousers.
2 pairs of trousers.
4 pairs of pants.
4 pairs of pants, just in case he
Piss myself multiple times.
craps his pants. Oh, and it's absolutely red hot. Sun's glaring on us. So I think I'm going to get stripped down to my boxers when I get to the top.
Okay. I'm sweating my balls off.
Look at this weather. Lovely today, isn't it? It's got his shades on. Too cool for school. Right, so we're halfway up. It's actually quite a nice easy little walk, this. Probably just over an hour, couple of mile, and then you're from Snake Pass up to backside Kinder, heading up to Sealstones, and then we're just gonna have a nosy. A couple of different routes down, got a bit of lunch, get a coffee on, see what we feel like doing. It's all training this for Jay. He's doing his Duke of Edinburgh award this year.
I'm definitely.
So he's got to show off in front of the ladies. Oh crap.
I'm not running back down stomach.
Yes, you are.
No, fucking not.
You're definitely going to
I
get
think
it. And sign up to this. This is actually a lot steeper than it looks. It's an absolute killer on your legs. And you're carrying a bit of weight on your back. Why do we do this to ourselves, Jay?
Get your fat lazy ass up this hill. Oh dear.
Saturday morning, I should be laid in my bed with my son fetching me a vegan sausage sandwich.
You're making me sausage sandwich when we get back.
Jesus. But instead, dragging me up the top of the hill. Legs pointing to Peter Street.
You what?
Making me sweat all them glasses of wine and all that whiskey out from last night.
I'll get to it.
Jesus.
Gotta burn it off, haven't you? I don't know. Feels like it. Where have you gone?
Good job I didn't come up here when it riced at that time.
Yeah, true. You would have been flying. It's a good job I'm a mountain goat.
Do you remember a few months back? That's Fairbrook Maze over there. So that's where we walked up and did that scramble in that bit of a valley bit there. Do you remember when we got up to the top, someone was camping on the edge and then we jogged all the way back down?
I think I remember.
It's a right view up here, isn't it? Ah, look across there, you can see Alport Castles. So that's the back of Alport. Over here, that's the face where the rock slide happened. Yeah, some right views up here, isn't there? Right, should we get over to the top?
Get your ass to the top.
Drag my ass to the top. They nearly killed me coming up here. Oh, wild camping spot. Look at this for a bivvy spot. How cool is that? That's big enough for me to lay in that. That's just a proper secret little bivvy spot, that, isn't it? Stashed away under rocks. That's sick, isn't it, that?
Someone's made it.
Yeah. I don't really want to say where this location is now. Coming back up here with sleeping bags.
It's quite easy to know where it is, to be fair.
Oh yeah.
Remember the other one we found? It was random. It was like an egg.
Yeah. Get to the chopper! God's sake. Right, should we go and get some dinner on? Oh, lovely. Lovely.
Did you get that on camera?
Probably not.
Please talk to the mic.
Got a right mission on now. Set up, making a coffee. Got his drone out. Gonna have some lunch. He's took it up. I mean, it's only a fairly cheap Amazon one, but still just under 100 quid. Not GPS. And I've not been watching him. Basically, he's lost it. It's gone down somewhere over there. So I says to him, well, do you know where it is? Have you seen it? He says, yeah, it's in that field. So he's gone down looking for it. God's sake. So I'm going to pack everything up now and go and have a look. Might be hours up here looking for his drone. It's going to get kettle on and all. Bloody kids, man. Right laughing it. Literally trying to find a needle in a haystack. So we just spent about an hour just hunting, searching everywhere. We can see where the last bit of footage is, the last video, and it looks like he come down in line. You can sort of see with the patterns where they've burned the heather. So he's doing a bit of a zigzag now. Somewhere in this area. But when I say this area, probably got a square of about 500 metre. And then did the wind blow it, it was fairly high up. Running out of time, we need to get home though for dinner time. It's having a bit of a nightmare at the minute, but fingers crossed. Look at this stuff though. It's that deep. There's no chance of finding it. Literally a tiny little handheld drone. Nope, no chance. We're gonna have to call this search off and we've got to get home. Yeah. Well, he is absolutely gutted. Gutted, aren't you? Gutted. Oh shit. Well, there's not what we can do though, is it? We've looked for a good hour and a bit.
Did you put my phone case in my bag?
Yeah. Right, come on, let's go. Well, it's just an absolutely rubbish end to what could have been a good little video, good little morning. Had a nice walk, weather's been perfect. Got up to top of Sealstones, found that little cave. Had a laugh, started to make a coffee, and then these drones froze and just gone down in the middle of a boggy moor. So spent a good hour and a half hunting for it, and we ain't got a chance. He lost control of it, the video froze, and he just carried on going. And he's absolutely gutted. He bought it with his own money, that. So, I guess it's not good that we've had to abandon it up there with batteries in it, and it was just a micro drone, but it's not good for any wildlife, is it? Apologies, that's all we can do. Go back up another day, try and find it when we've got a bit more time.
Is that actually a car?
Yeah, it's a car, that.
Is it crap?
Yeah.
How is it?
Do you know what? They come flying down at night time. Amount of crash cars we've seen today just on the side. That's the third one, isn't it? Yeah, we saw that one down at the bottom. You've just spotted that one, and then there's that one with police tape on further up.
Yeah. I don't think that's a crash, it's just a troll.
Well, window's wide open, isn't it? Unless somebody's nicked it. But yeah, people come flying down Snake Pass and take them corners a bit too fast. They ain't got a chance, have they? Ah, Jay, what are we gonna do?